Hello again, ChoroQ fans. We have another one of these Seibu Keisatsu cars. This is just called the Skyline GT, but it's number 17 in the series of Seibu Keisatsu stuff. And it came up at a decent price, so I figured I'd pick it up. I like these ChoroQs, as you can tell through my channel. There's a good chance I might actually end up with more ChoroQs than actual realistic looking vehicles at this rate. Alright. This thing has mirrors, but I'm not going to put them on because they're just going to break off. But yeah, that's what the mirrors would look like. They're just tiny stalks though. There's no peg holes on these, so I'm pretty sure they'll break off for sure. Okay. Alright, well, I couldn't find any images of the car. That's the closest one I could find, but I don't even know if that's a Skyline back there. I think it might be, but this one's got like tilted headlights, so I don't know what the deal is, to be honest with you. So let's just take a look at this casting here and see what's going on. It's black, just shiny gloss black. It's got these cool mag wheels here, and the mag wheels have 4 lug nut details, so that's neat. I think I'll add some black paint in there later. There's like a silver dot here for, I think there's a badge on the Skyline of this year. Door handles are actually sticking out, painted silver, and the window trim here is painted silver as well. And we have some printed on silver wiper blades, and it's cool that it has a realistic license plate, probably to the real car in the show. These little recesses have the marker paint there, and yeah, those are actually sticking out a little bit from the grille, and the grille texture actually has a nice sound to it. This side looks the same, except, oh, I didn't even notice there's a silver and orange marker there on the side. This bumper is casted in, just painted silver, same with the back. And then the back has like this gunmetal gray with the lights inside of it, orange, a little backup, red. And then it's surrounded by a silver line. There's a little double tipped silver exhaust as part of the base, but I think that's a separate piece of plastic actually, looking at the brake there. So it tells you what the car is, a 2000 GT, where it is in the series, 55. So this casting, you know, it exists outside the Seibu Keisatsu. So in the regular ChoroQ 0 lineup, it's number 55. But as I told you, it has a different number for Seibu Keisatsu. Alright, and here's the production dial. Let's see when this thing was made. I gotta zoom in, I can't even read it with my own eyes. 11th month of 2018. Okay. So, pretty neat. I think I'll just leave it alone. I'm okay with the riding stance of this. I think an old Japanese car like this would actually have that kind of a wheel gap. So, it's pretty nice. Alright, let's compare it to a couple other models then. Alright, got this thing spinning up here. I do have this 1/64 scale done by ChoroQ. It says 2000 Turbo GT ES on the bottom of it. I think it's the same type of car. It's got the same rear end treatment, and it's, well, it's the front end that's different. Yeah, it's definitely different. I don't know if this is like a customized Nissan or what. I don't know. I just don't recall. The only time I've seen lights like this are on like a Liberty Walk Skyline. So, well, that's the best I can do. Alright, let's look at some cartoonish cars then. So I have quite a few Skylines, actually more Skylines in ChoroQ form than any other car nameplate. So here's another ChoroQ 0, and this is called Machine X from the Seibu Keisatsu line. So that is more like the ChoroQ. So, you know what? This looks like maybe it's a Ken Mary. That might be it. Hold on a second. Alright, going back here, I got 2 of these Aoshima Grachan cars. They're 4-door Skylines. This is a Ken Mary Skyline. This is probably the one, that generation that comes after, the 2000. But it's confusing. You know, this one has the silver circles on the pillar here like this, but this one does not. But both of these are customized by Liberty Walk, so I don't know. But this one does have 4 taillights, but it has 4 square headlights. this one has headlights that are more matching to the Kenmari. So, yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys. Sadly, it's just not precise in the descriptions of any of these models as to what they actually are, but I guess you just gotta know that they're fun to collect. Alright, so anyways, back to that ChoroQ Zero Machine X. This is the old Machine X from ChoroQ Zero. And then let's see if I have any other things that have the same type of headlights. No, I don't think I do. I do not. So this is a unique casting where I have no clue as to what it is. If you could maybe leave a comment and guess, that would be nice. Okay, well, let's let this thing spin on its own. Alright, well, it's still a pretty nice ChoroQ Zero. Big fan of it. It does lead to a few mysterious questions, though. There's definitely a few more I have to get from this Seibu Keisatsu series, but they're pretty hard to come by, so that's why it's taken me a while to get them. Or, well, they're not hard to come by. They're hard to come by at a price I'm willing to pay for. Let's leave it at that. Alright, well, thanks for checking this out. I'll see you the next time around. Bye.